Hi, today we're going to be unboxing the Lexie Lumen hearing aids, self-fitting OTC over-the-ear hearing aids. We're going to be checking them out and seeing how they work with the personalized hearing, with the environments, with reducing the background noise. It is Bluetooth app controlled. It says nearly invisible but exceedingly powerful hearing aids. Let's open this up real quick. Very nice packaging, like that. Say hello to your Lexies. Accessories lived here. I'll get this out first. Does it look nice? It comes with several batteries and the ear fitters. Cleaner, and it shows how to make the size. We'll have to read about that. Let me get into this book and I'll read it some, and we will. It says you set up your hearing aids with the Lexie app. So I'm going to do all that and I'll get back with you. I have already opened them. One thing you need to know about these is they have to be used with an app on your phone. And if you're not technically savvy, then you're going to have somebody help you. My husband helped me with these. If you are older, you can ask your children or even your grandchildren. They know all about apps on the phones. These are not rechargeable hearing aids. I do have rechargeable hearing aids, and it is much more convenient to have those. But I would tell you that I wore these to work last night, and they worked actually better than my $5,000 hearing aids that are rechargeable. They say to take out the battery every night and put it in a small container with the desiccant to keep it moisture free. Here's the batteries that I used. They have different size of the ear protector to choose from. This is the smallest one. I have very small ear canals. So you just put the battery in like that. You put this in your ear and then over your ear, and this goes inside of the round part of your ear, not down your canal, but just you can't see it. It's like it fits like this in your ear. And it does say to take these out every night, which, like I say, it's kind of a pain, but they work so good. Or just, you take a little test on your phone after you get the app on there, and you put the hearing aids in your ears, and it'll go through step by step. And you just tap if you hear the tones, just like you would at your doctor, adjust for your hearing, just by doing that small test on your app phone. I really like these. I think they're well worth it. I'd give them a try. There's a 100% money back guarantee on these as well, so give them a try. I think you'll like them. I do. Thanks for watching.